Hi, my name is Prathibha Kokkalera. I'm an interior designer and a home stager turned real estate agent and investor. I've had the opportunity to attend Micaela's Universal Law Training Program, or now called the Manifestation Mastery Training. In this program, Micaela in detail explains the 12 laws of the universe. I was familiar with a few, especially the law of attraction, but it was very interesting to know how each of these laws are interconnected with one another, and how by understanding these 12 laws, one could harness them to benefit your personal and professional life. I definitely would recommend this program to anyone who's interested in understanding the universal laws and about manifestation. And thank you, Micaela, for conducting such a training. I definitely would want to attend it one more time and understand it even more better, and definitely would recommend it to anyone. Thank you.